So guys, today we are going to revise the solo copy and deep copy in JavaScript. So today we are going to practice shallow copy and deep copy in JavaScript. So let's start. At first we are in which folder pw which is. So this is the weird name of an object. So we are inside the folder. We are inside the folder and we have to make a folder inside JS का खाचा के अंदर एक folder. तो mkdir javascript deep deep shallow. So you can see here is the folder javascript deep shallow. We have to go inside this folder javascript deep shallow. Now we are inside the folder JavaScript Deep Shallow. Now, so in JavaScript Deep Shallow, we have to create three files like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So therefore, we have a command, touch command. You use touch index.html, style.css, script.js. If we press the enter, then you can see here there are three files inside this folder. There are three files inside this folder. Now, first of all, go to let's manage this stuff. Yeah, okay. In JavaScript, solo copy and deep copy are very important concept when working with object and arrays. Shallow copy. So in JavaScript, shallow copy and deep copy are very important concept working with array shallow copy. A shallow copy copies the first level of an object. So here you can see what is shallow. A shallow copy it copies the first level of an object. What does that means? Shallow copy of an X. Shallow copy copies only the first level of an object. The object contains another object inside it. Then the inner object is still shared in memory. It is still shared in memories. It is still shared in memories. Like if you write here, const user one, const user one is it, one sec, it is the index.html file. So first we should have try this. Let's connect CSS file and let's connect script file. Let's connect the script and name this like shallow copy. Copy and deep copy. Shallow copy and deep copy. One sec, okay. Now, first of all, go to the script part and write this code. Const user const user one is equal to name prints name prints address city Delhi. If there is a variable name of user one and here is object name prints and address city, then shallow copy means const user two. Const user two is equal to dot 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 user one. So this is the shallow copy of it. User dot name is equal to Raj. User two dot name is equal to Raj. If I put the name to Raj, then user2 dot address dot city is equal to Mumbai. User2 dot address dot city is equal to Mumbai. Okay. Now if we console.log user one and if we console.log user two, so what will be the result? Let's try to find out the result. Now for the result we have to run the code in the terminal. So for load, at first we have to go inside the folders pwd deep shallow copy. Okay, we are already in the javascript deep shallow copy folder. So inside this deep shallow copy folder we have to run node script dot js file. Okay. Oh, what is the error? Is okay. Prince is not a command. Where is Prince? Name Prince is not a command. Okay. There is an error of a string. We haven't put the double quotes yet. That's why an error is occurred. String Prince. Okay. Now again we have to run this code script.js. Now name is equal, here you can see that name is equal to Prince, address city Mumbai, and name Raj is equal to address Mumbai. Okay, so from this code what we have to understand is shallow copy and deep copy. We have stored user one, we have stored data in the user one, that name is equal to Prince and address is equal to city Delhi. Shallow copy means we have to shallow copy is only the first level of an object. If the object contain another object inside it, then the inner object is still shared in the memory. Okay. Const user two is equal to user one. We have created a variable user one and now user two. We have copied user one into user two. And now user2 dot name is equal to Raj. So to user2 name is equal to Raj, and user2 dot address dot city is equal to Mumbai. So console dot log user1. So user one is the same, and user2 name prince the address, name Raj, address city. Okay. Console dot log user1 and user2 name prince. 1 second. Okay. If using console copy कर लिया, then copy image, second. Object and array shallow copy is the first. Shallow copy is the first level copy. Okay, let's shallow copy. Let's try one more example. Like if we did this, if we comment all of this code and try to try to solve this question, like user1 is equal to name prince address city const is equal to structure clone user1 user2 minus user2 dot address city is equal. Now we have to run this code on our node.js file, node script.js. So there will be the answer. There will be the prince and city Mumbai. Okay. So this is the shallow copy. Now we have to understand how we have to practice a lot of questions on loops. So starting the loop, we can get loops. Give me some questions on. Give me some questions on for loop. while loop and do while loop, for loop, while loop and do while loop in JavaScript. For loop e.g. prime number from 0 to 1. So it is a question of prime number 1 to 10. Print even number from 1 to 20. So this is the question. Print even number from okay. So but 1 to 20 even number then I is equal to 0. And is equal to 0. Is then equal to this plus f. So now here we have to print 1 to 20 even numbers for loop from the use of for loop. So now we have to let for I is equal to 0 because I starts with 0 and now I should be greater than or equal to I should be less than or equal to 20 and I should start with plus plus. Now on the for loop we have to start with like print even number from 1 to 20 now. So we have to if I if here we can add if condition if so if parenthesis if I is divided by 2 and the remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Then it is even. Then we have to print it is even. It is even. Else we have to print. Else we have to print it is odd. So dot log it is odd. So now try to run this code node script script.js. It is even odd even odd even. No. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, we don't have to write here this. We have to pass the value of I inside this. We have to pass the value of I inside this I now. So this is the value of school.js. Now here you can see the even number 0, 1, 2, 3. It is the number itself. So you console.log I, console.log I. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12. Okay, okay, okay. For I is equal to 0, I less than 20, I plus plus. If I is divided by 2 is equal to 0, console.log I. When नहीं divided तो it is odd. Even number from 1 to 20, even numbers from 1 to 20. Even numbers from 1 to 20. So this is a question of for loop where we have to print even numbers like so now where we have second question like what is the second question? So just shallow copy print odd number from 1 to 20. In odd number from 1 to 20 like we have to 220. So we have to print odd numbers from 1 to 20. Like if we start from 4, I is equal to 0, we is less than 20, I plus plus. So if I divide over 2 say and not equal to 0 आया तो इसका मतलब so that's mean one is equal to 2, I is less than 20, I plus plus. If I is divided by 2, I So here is the question of find sum of numbers from 1 to 10. Find sum of one number from 1 to 100. So let's try to solve this question with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, this is the last question of that. The last one question is ask user password in the print table of no print number from X one set number one print multiple table of five. Okay, so this is our next question. Multiple table of five. So now we are going to solve another question. Print multiplication table of 5 4. Let I should start from 0 because this is for loop, and I, it is a 5 table, so I is less than is equal to 6, and I plus plus. What is the error of that? 4 let 4. No, no, no. Here is not let. Let should be inside the 4. Let, okay. So now CLG, there should be used to backtick tilde symbol. The symbol 5 into dollar curly bracket should be I. 5 into 1 is equal to, we have to put a equal to between this, equal to dollar curly brackets 5 into 5 into I, and then backtick. So what should be the result? Node script.js. So this is the table of 5 10, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 1 1, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 4. This is the table of 5 due to for loop. So this is the for loop. Again, we can write it for the sixth table for. So let's suppose you have written a 4 and let I should start from 0, and now I should less than 20, and I plus plus, and then brackets CCLG, and you can now here add a tilde sign. No, that's not tilde, that's a backtick. In JavaScript, do you know what is backtick? And backtick is used for the dynamic value of the string, like dynamic value. So dynamic value here we have to write 20 because we have to write the 20 table. So 20 into dollar 20 into dollar curly bracket, and we have to put the value of I inside it. So we have put I inside it, dollar I, and now we have to apply equal to, and now we have to put again a dollar and backtick sign. Now again dollar and backtick sign. So 5 into 5 into I. That's why now if we run this code, node here we have to run this code like here in the terminal, node script.js, then the result would be like table of 20. See the table of 2021. 20 into 1 is equal to 5. 1 minute equal to 5. Not 5, like we have to write here 20. Now we have to run node script.js. So here you can see where it is. Okay, so last value is 20, not we have to give the last value should be 10. So 10 into there will be 10. So now we have to run again the file node script.js. So here is the value, here is the table of 2021, 2010, 2030. No, bro, this is the 40, okay. So 20 into 1, and $20 is equal to 20 into 1. So put comment this code, and now we have to run this. So script.js. So here you can see the 20 table. The table of 20 is has been arrived. The table of 20.